Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel HoneyEDU Tech. In today's lesson, we're going to go over 10 essential English sentences that you can use every day. These sentences are simple, but they'll help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Number 1, good morning. How are you? This is a common greeting you can use when you see someone in the morning. It's a great way to start the day. Let's practice. Say it with me, good morning. How are you? Number 2, can I help you with that? Use this when you see someone who might need help, like carrying something heavy or solving a problem. Let's practice together. Say, can I help you with that? Great job. Number 3, thank you so much. This is a stronger way to say thank you when you really appreciate something. Now you try it. Say, thank you so much. Excellent. Number 4, what time is it? This is a basic phrase to ask for the time. You can use it when you need to know the time. Let's practice, what time is it? Nice work. Number 5, how do I get to the bus stop? Let's say it together, how do I get to the bus stop? Perfect. Number 6, I'm sorry for being late. This is an important phrase to apologize if you arrive late for something. Now, repeat after me, I'm sorry for being late. Well done. Number 7, I'll have the chicken salad, please. Let's practice, I'll have the chicken salad, please. Great job. Number 8, could I get the bill, please? Use this when you're finished with your meal and want to pay the bill. Let's say it together, could I get the bill, please? Perfect. Number 9, let's meet at 5 p.m. This is a simple and clear way to set up plans with someone. Now, you try it. Say, let's meet at 5 p.m. Nice. Number 10, see you later. This is a casual way to say goodbye to someone. Let's practice, see you later. Great job. Thanks for watching. You've now learned 10 daily English sentences that will help you sound more natural in everyday conversations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time, goodbye.